Hi everyone, it's Melissa from Open Circle Acupuncture and Healing, and I wanted to teach you an acupressure technique for treating one of my favorite points for hot flashes. The name of the point is Triple Warmer 1, and it's on the ring finger on the pinky side on the outer edge of the bottom of the nail. So these points, all of the ones around the nail beds, are very powerful in clearing heat, but this one is especially good for hot flashes. So what I do to treat it, besides just pressing it with your finger, which is fine, is to take a pen and roll it along the point. And you will probably feel that it's quite tender. So that's good. You're getting an effective acupressure response if the point feels sore. That might be an indication that you really need to do this point regularly. It's very accessible. It's really easy. You can just roll the point for maybe 10-15 seconds is plenty of time. You can do it throughout the day, definitely while you're feeling hot flashes. Other symptoms that it's really great for is to help with tinnitus, ringing in the ears. It's great for headaches, and it's really, really good for anxiety, because anxiety in Chinese medicine we also think of as an expression of heat and heat rising. So try it out. Let me know what you think, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.